Jordan Fricke in the shooting death of Officer Matthew Rittner, presenting never-before-seen evidence from the gun to body camera footage.
The video will play a crucial role in this case. We're going to play some of it. We do want to warn you that some will find it disturbing.
Police search warrant! Search warrant! Police search warrant! Milwaukee police search warrant! Contact board. They're dogs. Contact board. Contact. Milwaukee police, it opens in. Milwaukee police, we have a search warrant. Officer, right. Milwaukee police.
We paused it at the moment Officer Rittner was shot. Prosecutors say Fricke intentionally opened fire after officers announced their arrival. Fricke's attorney says his client opened fire because Fricke thought someone was breaking in. Here's the arrest in real time.
Open this door. Listen to me. Jordan, open this door and start crawling out to me. Coming down.
12 News' Hillary Mintz joins us from the Public Safety Building tonight. Hillary, this was only a portion of a busy day for the jury.
And Toya, the jury was actually just sent home for the day, but earlier they got an up-close look at the crime scene, essentially taking a field trip from the courthouse here to Jordan Fricke's South Side home, where Officer Matthew Rittner was killed. Jurors presiding over the case of accused cop killer Jordan Fricke visited the scene of the crime at 12th and Manitoba. They spent about a half hour inside the home. Back at court, prosecutors laid out their case, saying Fricke intentionally shot and killed Officer Matthew Rittner in February, as Rittner broke down a door with a battering ram while serving a search warrant.
He had a ram in his hand and struck it 3 times. 3 times.
District Attorney John Chisholm showed jurors the rifle used.
What was it designed to do? It was designed to kill. And this is the weapon that Jordan Fricke had that morning when the officers arrived at his location, and he fired 4 rounds. Technically through the door, but not through a closed door. The door had already been breached.
The district attorney said officers announced loud and clear who they were and why they were there, and played audio from an officer's body camera.
Police search warrant! Search warrant! Police search warrant!
But the defense said Fricke acted in self-defense.
When he hears the pounding on the door, he doesn't know what's on the other side of the door. He doesn't know if it's a ram or something else. He sees a panel, and you'll see that in the video. He sees a panel blow out, and he sees another panel blow out, and then shots are fired. Why are those shots fired? Because he's acting in self-defense. He's acting to preserve his own life based upon an unknown threat.
Hillary joining us live once again. And Hillary, was the courtroom full again today?
You know, it was definitely full. There were a lot of members of Officer Rittner's family, including his widow. She was emotional at times during the testimony, and there were also many other fellow Milwaukee police officers, some of them who were with Rittner the day of that deadly shooting. Tonight at 6, you will hear them give play-by-play of those terrifying moments that you just saw there on the body camera footage. Toya.
All right, Hillary Mintz reporting live in Milwaukee. Thank you.